dual video recording, so there might be a bit of up and down in some scenarios, so forgive me for that. In this video we are looking at most probably we are looking at the Fiio FH9. I believe it is the Fiio FH9 because that is the only IEM I was expecting this month. Most probably there are some documentation in the box, but that is not of any interest in this video. So Fiio FH9 is the flagship IEM Fiio has. It is the flagship hybrid IEM, 1DD and I believe 6 BA drivers. I'm not exactly sure about that, but I would like to believe that there are 6 BA drivers in this IEM, and is priced at 50,000 rupees or around $599. I think $599 it is. Nevertheless, this I have heard has some of the best low end, and comes with all the bells and whistles that all the Fiio IEMs have been coming with, and that is a good thing. That is a very good thing. FH9, very similar box to the other Fiio IEMs, so there isn't anything fancy when it comes to the box. So let's where to make the cut. Okay, here we go. This thing is good. I'm not against this. All these Fiio IEMs have similar packaging and stuff, and that is reasonable. Most of the mobile brands do that. They have packaging language, a box that doesn't vary much, and that is a good thing. There isn't anything wrong with that. I like that. Here you get a good cable and stuff. There was a call, and I'm really sorry about that. So this is the IEM. Can't really help it, can I? Yeah, you guys can see the stuff already, and this is the cable, and I like this. Nice. Now this time what Fiio has done is they have shipped it with some different kind of tips. This is interesting, very interesting. I like this. These are some of the more premium kind of tips. Most Chi-Fi brands are shipping with this kind of tips, and this is a bit more premium than usual. And as usual, the cable is modular. We'll look into this in details soon. So that's it. This is the IEM. Looking good, looking fantastic. Looks fantastic to me. Metallic shell and stuff. So this is good. This is a good looking IEM. So this is the unboxing. This is the carry pouch. I really do not like this kind of carry pouch, but cannot really help it, can I? So this is okay. This is the MMCX removal tool in here. There isn't anything else in the box, no cable clip or anything like that. So that is that. This is the unboxing of Fiio FH9. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.